Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded?
Kan udah baru keluar single nih, sedang ngeluarin album. Sekarang kegiatannya apa lagi?
Kegiatannya itu lagi turun dan mempromokan single ketiga dari album kelima kita yang berjudul Videografer. Singlenya berjudul Berangkat. Ya itu mas. Iya selain itu kan tur. Oh dari itu jadi kegiatannya juga kita berangkat ya.
Lumayan dalam terdekat dalam 2 minggu ini itu hari semuanya. Terima kasih banyak buat panitia Gesa, Bang Kasa, luar biasa, keren banget. Untuk pertama kalinya kami di landasan udara. Ambience-nya asik banget, semuanya keren, manajemennya rapi, anaknya semuanya ramah banget. Bapak ibu gurunya juga terima kasih, kamera mati ya. Dan terus buat Gesa ya. Kalau belum kapok mungkin bisa undang kami lagi.